Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing essentials: your Bitmart account, phone, ID, and any backup codes from Google Authenticator. Once signed in on the web, go straight to Account then Security. Make sure your phone number and email are current so you can receive alternate verification. If you still have Authenticator codes, note the current one. If not, proceed knowing you'll need SMS or backup codes. This step reduces delays and proves identity, so pause only to confirm contact methods before continuing. You'll now follow the verification flow to remove Google Authenticator. Select Disable Google Authenticator in Security, then pick an alternative verification: SMS code, email code, or a backup code. Enter the single-use codes exactly and watch for short expiration windows. If the system requests identity verification, upload your government ID and a live selfie. This prevents fraud and explains why exchanges ask for documents. Once done, Bitmart will prompt confirmation. Read it closely before you confirm removal to avoid accidental lockouts. After confirming removal, immediately resecure your account. Set up a new 2FA method such as a different authenticator app, SMS, or a hardware key, and save new backup codes in a safe place. Once set, log out and log back in to verify everything functions. If you can't complete removal because you lost the authenticator and have no backups, contact Bitmart support with your ID and recent transaction details. Provide timestamps to speed verification. This is the single most effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.